medicine Diwali Legium. Hi, hello, vanakkam. Welcome to the Recipes. I am Kasha Jaykumar. So dear friends, it's going to be a lovely Diwali dhamaka where we are going to just make it as sweets and savories. So it's also called as Suvaika Samika Diwali. So this is going to be a lovely session of Diwali sweets. Do not miss each and every episode. It comes in 2 languages, Tamil and English. Whichever language you're comfortable with, please choose. Try these sweets and keep us posted. Happy Diwali. Diwali. Now this Diwali is here and we have already ate a lot of sweets, snacks and savories. It's full. So now let's look into how to do this Diwali Legium. Like what we get as Chavanaprash or something like that, This is going to be a lovely legium or a medicinal dish which is going to help you to improve your digestive system and to give you all kind of health benefits after eating these variety of sweets and savories. So let's look into how to do this simple yet a very strong medicine Diwali Legium.
Now as mentioned, this is a very simple one. So first let's heat our wok or a pan. Now to this hot wok, let's start adding the ingredients one by one. We are just going to dry roast them. Dry roast all these ingredients and then we will make them into a fine powder. So look at this, we have coriander seeds, pepper, cumin, ajwain, tipili, dry ginger and cardamom. So these are all going to be in the right proportion. We are going to get a mixture out of this, and hence this will help us to overcome the indigestion or small flatulence caused due to overeating of these sweets and etc. etc. So here I have added the dhania, pepper, ajwain, cumin, dry ginger, all these together. Just give them a mild roast. Like they shouldn't turn black or they shouldn't turn dark, but there should be a slight roasting in them so that we get the flavor, and it will help us also to grind them into fine powder. If they are not roasted well, what will happen is you will not be able to grind them well.
Press this bell icon and never miss an update from us.
So give it a mild fry. You just look at this. I'm getting a nice aroma from here. So this is what is required. A mixture of a blend of all these spices together is going to help us to get over the indigestion or the flatulence caused by eating a lot of sweets and all. By the way, what I would like to request you all is, you have been watching a lot of videos from Dosa to Pizza for all this festive season. Do try to share the photographs or pics of whatever you have cooked with us via email or Facebook, so that we'll feel happy to share that with the other people also who are watching Dosa to Pizza, so that it will be very nice and interesting to make our Dosa to Pizza more interesting and more interactive. We would like to have your photographs, whatever you have cooked. You can click a shot and send it to us via Facebook or email. We'll be really happy and delighted to share it with our other people also who are watching this. So now have a look at this. It's been roasted well. So I'm going to just remove it and allow it to cool for some time, and then we can grind it in the mixer jar to a fine powder. Now to the same pan I've added 1 cup of water. To that I'm adding this jaggery. Dissolve the jaggery well, and then we will filter it to remove the impurities. Small impurities might be there in this jaggery. Normally it is there, so we just filter it. While the jaggery is getting done, we need a very mild syrup out of it. We can fine grind this dry ingredients which we have already roasted. Can you see the formation of the syrup is getting ready? Now I have the fine powder here. Add the powder to the jaggery syrup what we have created. The syrup of very thin consistency. It's even half thread. We call it as half thread. That is, they just form and they break up. So they don't become into a thick one single thread consistency. So we have just dropped the ingredients in the half string consistency, because we are going to keep stirring it further. Now as time goes by, this will start to thicken. See, it is slightly thickened. At this stage we can add either ghee or gingerly oil. I am adding 2 spoons of ghee here. As we have added some pepper and all, it's going to be little spicy also. So it depends, if you feel it is more spicy, you can add some more ghee or some more oil, so that what will happen is you will not feel so hot when you are taking this legume or the medicine. Can you see, it's just left the sides of the pan. Now we're getting the right consistency. So it's the right time to be removed from stove. Now here we can either have it straight away like that, you can put a spoon and you can have it, or just make them into small balls like this, so that it will be very comfortable. You can put it to your mouth straight away and that will also be very nice. As there is a lot of ghee in this, it will be very convenient to make these small round balls also. So that's why I just prefer, small children will just like that take small balls and take it. They'll find it more comfortable. So you can either have it in a bottle or you can make small balls like this.
So dear friends, hope you enjoyed this simple and straight method of making the Diwali medicine or the marandu or legume. Definitely do try this and keep us posted, because this is going to be a yummy medicine for your family and friends after this Diwali with sweets and savories. So do post your comments with us. Dosa to Pizza is all about enhancing your taste buds. If you like this video, press like, subscribe to Dosa to Pizza. Thank you and bye-bye.